Hi everyone and welcome to Coconut Joe's Thailand series. Starting in Aonang on Thailand's southern coast in Krabi province, about 400 miles from Bangkok. It's a beautiful coastal area that has plenty of energy. It's known for island tours, but what can you actually do in town? We spent 2 days here without booking a single tour, and honestly, it was perfect. Yes, it's touristy, but it still holds that unmistakable Thailand vibe. Aonang Beach. It's always buzzing with colorful long-tail boats coming and going, giving the shoreline that classic Krabi look. What's great is that the boats stay clear of the southeast side of the beach, so this area becomes perfect for swimming. The water is calm, shallow, and super family friendly. And then, at the end of the beach, there's this little adventure. The Monkey Bridge. Wobbly, narrow, kind of sketchy, but such a fun and unexpected find right in town. Oops. Bags of rice and stepping stone works really well. What a beautiful place at the end of the Monkey Trail. Yeah, this is where we're not staying, but it would be lovely. I wonder how they get in here. Have to boat in, I think. On the other side of the bridge was an unexpected little gem, a quiet postcard picture beach that belonged to Centara Grand Hotel. Even if you're not staying here, you can still enjoy it. You can purchase a day pass for full access to their facilities, or simply sign in at the entrance like we did and head straight to the beach. It's peaceful, scenic, and feels like a little hidden escape from Aonang's busy main strip. Then we couldn't help ourselves. The monkeys were so funny and curious that we ended up hanging around way longer than we planned. Back on the street, there's plenty of shopping, places to eat, have a drink, and other things if you're interested. The local market really offered a variety of different local foods, souvenirs, and evening entertainment. Just a short walk from Aonang Beach is Nopparat Thara Beach, a quieter stretch of sand where we spent some time. This is where we soaked in some of the beautiful sunsets and found our favorite little restaurant.
much for this year.
Here we are, Aonang,
Yes.
Thailand. Sitting having a beer, watching the life go by. What do you got there, Jimmy?
Well, I think it's a Leo beer for the lion.
That's a big one.
As it should be. Very tasty.
On our last day, we hopped on our transfer to the local pier and enjoyed an amazing boat ride to our next destination, Koh Lanta. More tips with that boat ride in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and we'll see you in the next one.